What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we have an excursion booked, which is going to be the ATF, i.e. quad biking. I think there's camel riding, a barbecuing and stargazing. It's all in one day. I think it's a 6-hour or a 7-hour excursion. We're going to be getting picked up from the hotel and dropped back off here. Our pickup time is 2:15 p.m. I think. So for now, I'm just going to take the kids out by the pool and the little, little electric car things, let them play for a little bit. We're not going to have time to get wet today and come back and get ready. So just going to let them go and enjoy themselves. 1 second, baby. We're going to let them go and enjoy themselves on the little electric cars for a bit. Go and get something to eat. Come back to the room, just get freshened up a little bit, pack a little jumper or something, and then head out. I'll keep you guys posted. Boom. Come on, this way, girls. Come on. Gonna go over there, that way, over there.
Papa, what is it? The electric car. But
So this is what they pick. I think, did you say for 5 minutes or 10 minutes? 10 minutes is 250 Egyptian, which is like $5. Eliza's in that, Isla's in that. Ready? The minibus guy's been sat here for about 6-7 minutes. It's taking our God-given time, but to be fair, they told us 2:15. He just turned up early, but at least he's messaging me. He's been alright, so he doesn't mind waiting. Just sorting these little menaces out. Hyla, where you going now? Huh? Where you going?
Where are you going? To this desert.
Shemi, ready?
Yes. Italian. First tell your brother where you're going. Go and ask her where she's going again.
Hyla, where are we going? To the desert? To do what? Quad bike, basically.
And what else? What are we going to ride? Camel. Yeah. Show me. The camel or the camel? Yeah.
No crying, Shemi, no crying. Are you ready to go on the quad bike? Yeah? We're here now. Thank you to my brother for the lift. Thank you, thank you. Come on, babe, let's go. Come on, Isla, go up there. Go and sit on the chair. Just in this, sitting down in this waiting section. You ready?
Look.
Finished one session of the quad biking. Pit stopped in this little tent thing now.
The kids were brilliant, say that, on the quad.
Kids were well good, man. Was behaving, didn't cry. Was brave. Liza, was that fun, man?
So we had fun? Show me camels, Destiny.
It's mad, you know.
Baby.
Hey, what are you riding? What are you riding? Huh?
Hey. Baby.
So we did like 2 sessions on the quad, yeah. So we had quad ride for about 30 minutes. Then we had like a 5-minute break. And he rolled again for a little bit. Rolled a little bit to this little tent thing. And we had like a little tea and that. Now we've been driven by the minibus to this camel riding thing. Me and Ida's on this one. Mom and Liza's on that one. Isla, did you like the quad bike more or the camel?
Both.
Huh? You like both? Yeah? Liza, what are you riding?
Shami, what's that? A camel.
So it's the barbecue time. That was some like Bedouin herbal shop or something. And we was down in this bit having some weird bread thing. I think they're gonna have a show now. And have a show and have some barbecue. So this is us chilling in the mountains. This is our meal in the desert. So this is our show whilst we're eating.
DJ Muhammad Ashraf remix. Got the whole thing packed now. Step in the club, the boys moving jack now. My feet is on it crack now. Who wanna see it's all that back?
Just to wrap that video up from last night, we got back here about 9:30, nearly 10 o'clock PM. So it was a full day. We got picked up, like I said, 2:15 in the afternoon. Got back at 9:30, 10 o'clock. The only difficult part was the big long gap from when we ate in the hotel to when we ate at the barbecue thing. But the food wasn't that bad, to be fair. So if you're obviously going with kids, or you are somebody who, you know, like needs to keep your nutrients and stuff and all that business, then make sure you take a few snacks with you and a sandwich or something in a bag just to suffice for the time being. But yeah, the excursion was worth it. We had a good time. Value for money, yeah, definitely value for money. We spent barely anything for the whole clan, all 4 of us, for like I think 60 quid or something. So it wasn't bad at all for a full day's activity. So yeah, anyways, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one.